Ready to unleash your inner creator and dominate YouTube Shorts. Let's dive into CapCut, the free powerhouse editor, to craft scroll-stopping shorts, step by step. First things first, hit that new project button and select the video clips or photos you want to use for your short tap ad. Now, the secret weapon aspect ratio, tap ratio, and make sure you're in 916, the perfect vertical format for YouTube Shorts. This will fill the screen and keep viewers engaged. Trim the fat. Use the white bars to precisely trim your clips. Getting rid of any unnecessary pauses or boring bits. Short and sweet is the name of the game to cut a video in the middle. Top split. This will split your clip into two parts to allow adjustments to both. Next, add text, stickers, and emojis. Use the text feature to add eye-catching titles, captions, or jokes. Make them pop with different fonts, colors, and animations. Stickers and emojis can add personality and humor. You can find both in the sticker tab. Sound is key. Tap audio to add music, sound effects, or even record your own voiceover. CapCut has a built-in library, or you can import your own audio. Play around with the volume levels to ensure your audio doesn't overpower the clip itself. Now, for some visual flair, explore the effects and filters tabs to add a touch of magic to your short. Transitions can smoothly connect clips, while filters can change the entire mood of your video. You can also experiment with effects like retro, glitch, or glow. Want to make it fast or slow it down? CapCut allows you to adjust the video speed. You can also use the animation tab to add interesting animations to each clip. Try the zoom and slide animations, or others as desired. Almost there. Tap the export icon in the top right corner and choose your settings. Aim for 1080p resolution and a frame rate of 30 fps for optimal quality. Lastly, upload directly to YouTube Shorts. Add a catchy title, a relevant hashtag like #YouTube Shorts or #CapCut. Make sure that the short is not longer than 60 seconds and hit publish. Boom. You are a shorts master now. Go create something awesome.